Hello guys, today in this video we are going to help you to find out the best benchtop jointer in the market. Let's get started with the video. Number 5. Wahuda Tools. Spiral cutter head has 4-sided carbide inserts for sharper and quieter cutting precision. The standard blade size also allows for a cost-effective and simple replacement. Create perfectly flat surfaces and edges quickly and hassle-free with the Wahuda jointers. Experience smoother and accurate cuts even on tough or figured woods with Wahuda tools. Adjustable and expandable cast iron tables enhance stability, even when working on larger pieces, with a fence that tilts from 90 and 135 degree for versatility. Number 4. WEN. Spiral cutter head system utilizes 12 staggered HSS blades for an ultra-fine finish. Features a spacious 30 by 6 inch table. Adjustable 19 3/4 by 4 1/4 inch fence bevels up to 45 degrees. Removes 0 to 1/8 of an inch of material with each pass. The spacious table measures in at 30 by 6 inches. Bevel the fence up to 45 degrees to create angled cuts along the faces of your boards. The spring-loaded blade guard helps protect against accidental injury, only exposing a limited section of the cutter head during jointing operation. Number 3. Festool. Unique, patented cutting action that rotates and oscillates to create perfect, clean, and repeatable mortises every time. Mortise width adjustment with a turn of a dial allows for easier alignment when joining panels. Indexing pins for quick alignment against the edge of the workpiece for accurate placement. Dust extractable design provides clean mortise holes for better glue adhesion and longer cutter life. The unique tool allows for highly repeatable work, significantly improving your efficiency and allowing you to do more work in less time. Number 2. CRAFTSMAN. 2-knife cutter head, with jack screw knife leveling arrangement and built-in cutter head lock, allows for easy knife replacement and adjustment. Jointer is ideal for edging, flattening, or face jointing. Easy replacement and knife adjustments. 2-knife cutter head with jack screw knife leveling arrangement allows for easy replacement and adjustment of knives. Accurate cutting. Center-mounted fence gives needed support throughout the cut for accurate edge jointing. Hard and soft surfaces. Heavy-duty 10-amp motor provides power for hard and soft woods. Number 1. Porter cable. 2-knife cutter head with jack screw knife leveling arrangement for easy replacement and adjustment of knives. Built-in cutter head lock facilitates knife replacement and adjustment. Extra large table provides ample work support and surfacing stock up to a full 6 inch wide. Variable 6,000 to 11,000 RPM speed range allows the user to select the right speed for the size and hardness of material being cut. The extra long table and center mounted fence also provides ample work support for an accurate cut. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.